Do you know when was the Sahara Desert covered with ice? Let's see about it. Sahara is the world's largest desert, covering an area of 9 million square kilometers in northern Africa. It extends from the coast of Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Red Sea and Iraq. It includes part of Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Sudan and Tunisia. One third of the desert is covered with sand dunes, and rest consists of rocky uplands and stony plains. Crude oil and natural gas have been discovered beneath the Sahara Desert and now being extracted. But there was a time when this great desert was covered with ice. Do you know when? Let's see. The first clue of ice was discovered when geologists found evidence of glaciation in the bedrock of Algerian desert. The approximate time of the ice covering was calculated to be about 450 million years ago. The location of the desert at that time, as research studies have found out, was near the South Pole. The size, shape and position of the continents or landmass of the earth have been constantly changing over the years. This happens due to the movement of the plates in the earth's crust. When these giant plates move, they carry continents along with them. As per available evidences, 200 million years ago, there was a supercontinent called Pangaea. It was formed when separate continental plates drifted together. Later, Pangaea also broke apart, but geologists are not sure about the continental locations before the formation of Pangaea. However, rock studies provide some clue to the then location of Sahara. They suggest that Sahara was situated near the South Pole, which eventually leads us to believe that it was covered with ice during that period of history. This period, according to geological classifications, is called the Ordovician period, when North Africa was at South Pole ice cap and equator ran diagonally across today's North America.